One thing you guys may not know is a lot of people in aviation are also business people. You meet a lot of entrepreneurs, and I've met people in literally every single industry, which is great. So with that, I've been able to have conversations and talk to people. Now, I've been talking to a group of people more specifically about creating a product that makes it easier for anyone who is interested in building an airplane to be able to get financing. Now, it's not clear, dry and clear right now, but here's what I have in mind and what I've been discussing, and sooner or later this type of loan will be available. So the way it would work is, just as I explained the traditional way, think of it as a hard money lending process. So for those of you who are in real estate, you may understand how hard money works. So if you're in real estate, for example, and you wanted to flip a house for profit, what a lot of investors would do is they go borrow money from a hard lender or hard money lender, and they usually would borrow that money at a higher interest rate. But they go in, they buy the property that they need to fix up, and say the timeline to buy and to fix is 3 months. So really you're just paying back the debt for 3 months. And then after 3 months, you're able to sell the house for profit, get all your money back, pay your lender, and then keep the rest. Or you do a refinance. So let's assume, say you wanted to borrow, you find a property that costs $200,000, right? And you go to a hard money lender, they see the deal, and they're like, great, this is a great deal for us, and we'll give you 80%, and in some cases, 100% of the deal can be financed. And so you borrow the money for a short term, 3 months. Once 3 months is done, you build the house, you fix the house up, and now say the house is worth $350,000. And so what you do is you now take that same property to a traditional bank. The traditional bank will finance up to 80% of that property, and that way you can cash out. You pull all that money back out, you pay your original lender, you still have the house, and you've maybe made a profit. Now, this is how it works in real estate, and the same concept would be for experimental airplanes, because again, you're not really buying an airplane, you're buying a kit, and you're buying all of these things to build a plane. So what would happen is you would get a loan to finance the purchase of the kit, the purchase of your engine and all the other components you need, and to finance a build assist. So everyone I've been talking to about this, in order to have collateral, so to speak, it's better to go through a professional shop to build the airplane rather than having the individual build the airplane. And there are reasons for that, because generally speaking, if it's just you, if the individual is building the airplane, it can take a longer time. Some people spend up to 10 years building the plane. And so the lender is not gonna go for that, because they won't be able to get their money back in a 10-year period. So for that reason, rather than have you build it, the stipulation would be that you go through a shop that may be certified by the lender or that's worked with the lender before. And so it's guaranteed that this plane is going to be built, and not only will it be built, it's going to be built in a very short period of time. So within a year, right? So you go through a build assist and you build out the airplane within a year.